I've been a hygienist for almost 12 years now. I've been at Penz Dental Care for almost 3. But just watching patients, especially kids, grow throughout the years, to see them when I've had a patient that I started seeing him when he was like 12, now he's in college and he's coming back. And it's wild. I saw him in another office when he was little, and I'm seeing him now as a college-age student, and it's wild to think I've been doing it for this long too.
I just love what I do. I went into dental like 2 years after I graduated high school. I love working alongside Dr. Penz every day because I feel like he definitely offers the best dental care that you can get. I also have had work done from him, so I know that I'm getting the best quality for me and our patients. I love seeing our patients and telling them that you've picked the right spot.
Well, I have been in dentistry for 22 years, and I was looking for a change. I had been with the same group for 22 years, and when I got the chance to mellow out, I mean, it was definitely just a mellowing. Obviously, I had a little bit of a moment where at 42 to go through a change is a little hard, and I'm not 19 and bounce back as well as I thought, but so caring. It's fun, and you hear giggles and you hear laughs, and I think we've got a great banter between the 5 of us and a good mix of personalities, and I just think fun, and to put fun with dentistry, bonus.
It's like coming to work with your friends every day. Like that's probably my most favorite thing about Penz Dental Care is my coworkers. Of course, we love our patients. We always do. We've got some great patients, but when you come to work and you're hanging out with your friends while you're working, it makes the day fly. And I think our patients pick up on it too.
I love my coworkers. I feel like that's 80 to 90% of your day, your job. You have to work with these people every day, and there's not one of them that I don't get along with. I feel like we all are working towards the same thing. We all, are taking care of the same people every day. So it's important for us to have a good relationship, and patients definitely notice that we all work really well together.
Actually, just yesterday, somebody came in and said that was the best dental experience I've ever had. I mean, you definitely, even if you look at our reviews online, best dental experience I've had, best dental experience I've had. Dr. Penz pays so much attention to me. That's what you strive for. That's what you hope to hear. That's what you want everyone to feel like. You don't want them to ever walk out the door and think, that was just not what I was hoping for. You want them to leave thinking, that was so much better than I thought it was going to be.
And one of the things that I love that Dr. Penz does is he'll sit down and go, thank you for coming in. We appreciate you coming in. Nowadays it seems like there's hundreds of dentists you can pick from, and there's more popping up every day. And just that he takes that moment to thank them for coming in and knowing that they can choose, a bunch of different places. And I really like that he verbalizes that to patients. I think that's awesome.
We've really set ourselves up, I think, in these last 3 years to become one of the premier dental offices in town. I don't know if I can say that or not, but I truly believe it. We've set the foundation in these last 3 years to be one of the premier dental offices in town for people to come and get care in Rochester. And so that's what I'm excited for. I'm excited for not only where we've been the last 3 years or where we've come from, but where we're going. And I think the future is really bright for Penz Dental Care. We have amazing staff that are all really focused on patient-centered care, focused on doing the right thing for the patient, focused on quality, and that are rooted in this community and care about Rochester. And I think that's what sets us apart.